help me get this book in your hands. Did you know that your credit is one of the things that's going to follow you around for the rest of your life? So wouldn't it be beneficial to learn exactly how the credit system works and how you can make it work for you? Let me tell you just one of the secrets that I'm going to tell you about in this book, and it's on page 7. Soon as you get this book, I want you to go right to page 7, because you could be doing everything right with your credit. Everything that you've learned from other people, everything that you learned from over time with dealing with your credit, and you could still have a low credit score. I reveal exactly why that happens. This is the only place that you will find that information. Yes, you could be doing everything right, and there could be one little bitty tweak that you can make, and it can make your scores go into the 7s, 750, and the 800s. And it's on page 7. This book is power-packed with information that you can use to understand how the credit system works and how to make it work for you. Now, I'm not going to just stop right there. I want to give you some more free bonuses. I'm going to share with you this information here. This is the secrets to getting a major credit card approval. Not just any credit card. I'm talking about a credit card with a low interest rate. I detail everything on the back that underwriters look for, so you don't make the mistakes that other people made or continue making the mistakes that you're making when applying for credit cards. The next one is I'm going to show you the secrets of getting a low interest rate auto loan. I see so many people that are driving cars that are not too good and are paying higher payments than other people are paying for luxury vehicles. Well, I'm going to give you the secrets on that. I'm going to detail exactly what underwriters are looking for so you can get approved for a vehicle at a low interest rate. The next thing is, are you looking to buy a home for you and your family? Your home is one of the first keys to investments in your financial future. I'm going to show you exactly how to get a mortgage at a low rate, and also I'm going to show you exactly what the underwriters are going to look for so you won't get denied. And if you've ever applied for a mortgage and got denied before, I give you the exact information to fix that so you can get approved. The next thing is boosting your scores. If your scores are low, you're not going to qualify for the lowest interest rates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in detail right on the back of this card. It has the steps. There's 12 steps, very easy steps. All you have to do is just read them, follow them, and you're going to be able to boost your scores almost overnight. So now what I want you to do, scroll down on this page and you can see the offer that I have available for you, but also there's an offer where you can get this book and the free bonuses. You can get all of this absolutely free.